The outcome of the 1970 elections became a historic turning point for Pakistan, ultimately proving disastrous. In 1970, Pakistan held its first general elections based on one person, one vote. The Awami League, led by Sheikh Mujib, won a landslide victory, securing 160 out of 162 seats from East Pakistan, giving them an absolute majority in the 313-seat National Assembly. In contrast, Pakistan People's Party, led by Bhutto, won 81 seats, all from West Pakistan. This meant the Awami League had the constitutional right to form the central government. However, West Pakistani leadership, particularly General Yahya Khan and Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto, refused to transfer power. The National Assembly session was repeatedly delayed, increasing frustration and anger in East Pakistan. This refusal confirmed the fears of Bengalis. West Pakistan would never allow East Pakistanis to rule, even when they had the clear democratic mandate. From political crisis to civil war. As tensions boiled over, mass protests, strikes, and civil disobedience took over East Pakistan. Many East Pakistani civilians, students, and affected military personnel formed the Mukti Bahini, backed and trained by Indian secret agency RAW. This guerrilla force started attacking the Pakistani military, using their knowledge of local terrain and gaining massive public support. In response, the army launched Operation Searchlight on March 25, 1971, a violent crackdown on Dhaka and other cities, involving mass killings, arrests, and destruction. Soon, a full-blown civil war broke out. On March 26, 1971, East Pakistan declared independence as Bangladesh. Later, India intervened militarily in December 1971, supporting the Mukti Bahini. This led to the defeat of Pakistani forces, and on December 16, 1971, Pakistan formally surrendered in Dhaka.